Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Cooking with Me, My Kitchen Space. So in today's recipe, let us prepare some chicken curry, and I guarantee you that hii ni mautamu tupu. So with me here, I have my list of ingredients. They may seem like they are quite many, but they are not really many. And here I have my 3 pieces of chicken that I've already roasted. Here I have my cooking oil, I have my salt, I have my list of spices, and from this side I have some Royco powder, I have some black pepper, I have some turmeric, this is dried rosemary, and this is some chicken masala. Then this is my homemade yogurt that I've made, I think in a previous episode, 1 or 2 episodes ago, so you should check that out. And this is natural yogurt. You can see how big it is, so you should check out that. And this is some tomato paste. Here I have my list of vegetables, and they occupy the most space today. And here I have my capsicum or bell peppers, I have my dania stem, I have my tomato, here I have my dania leaves, and I have some strips of capsicum that I'm going to use to garnish. And here I have my purple and white onion, and finally here I have my garlic. Also you can add some ginger, you can add some soy sauce. I really wanted to add that, but it seems like I ran out of soy sauce, but I'm going to include that in my other recipe next time. So without further ado, let's get started. So for today, I'm going to be using this, and this is me manifesting garnished cookware. And as usual, I'll wait for my pan to become extremely hot, then I can go in with some cooking oil. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to go in with my onions. I'm going to saute this till they start becoming translucent, then I can go in with my next ingredient. So I am happy with the color. I'll go in with my tomatoes and also my coriander stems. So remember, at this point we haven't added our garlic, but you can add it at this point. I'm going to add it a little bit later. So I see that my tomatoes are all well done, and it's at this point that I'm going to go in with my spices. I'll start by adding my dried rosemary, and then I'll add my other spices. I'm going to toast them for about a minute or so till they start becoming fragrant. Then I can go in with my tomato paste and my garlic. I'll add a little bit of water just to loosen up the tomato paste, and so that I can give it time to cook. Because remember, tomato paste is poiva, inakuanga na some metallic taste. So I'm also going to scrape off the bottom of my pan, and as you can see, it's very thick at this point because of the spices that we added. And you can also notice the deep color from the tomato paste and the turmeric. And it's quite fragrant, I promise you that. So I'll cover this and let it cook for about a minute or two. Then I can go in with my capsicum and my yogurt. So at this point, I know that my tomato paste is well done, and I'm going to go in with my capsicum. And the reason as to why I'm adding my capsicum right now is because sitaki iive sana. I want it to be a little bit crunchy, but you can feel free to add it in the initial stages. And you can see that this looks amazing. Then I'm also going to go in with some salt. Remember, the chicken has salt already. Yep, that should be enough. Then it's at this point that you want to add all this goodness. So I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Then I'll go in with my chicken. Because my chicken is well done at this particular point, we are just going to soak it in so that it can absorb the flavors. So this is about 3 to 5 minutes later, and you can see that mafuta inakaa ni kama imekuja juu. So that means that everything in here is well done. So I'm going to go in with my chicken. So this is the chicken that I have, and as you can notice, nimekatakata huko so that the flavors zingie huko ndani kabisa.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So this is about 7 minutes later, and I can see that my chicken is ready. Ishapata joto na isha absorb all the flavors. So this is ready for serving. Wow, this looks amazing.
Tonight, we
So as you've seen, it was that easy preparing this chicken curry, and let's have a taste test. Wow, wow, look at this. Tastes so amazing. Wow, and the curry itself. Wow. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I also hope you're going to try it out. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.